Have you ever wondered how people are actually using AI to make real money online, not just talk about it, but actually withdraw profits into their own wallet? Because right now there's a lot of hype around AI, but very few people are showing real proof. So in this video, I'm going to show you something live on my screen. I'm going to withdraw $542 in profits directly to my crypto wallet. And if you're someone who's been asking questions like, how can AI actually make money? Is passive income with AI really possible? And how do people withdraw their profits? Then watch this carefully. Let me take you over to my screen and show you exactly what I'm doing.
So I'm going to do two withdrawals, one from my account. As you can see there, I've got $296. So click on withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw the max. I'm withdrawing 296 and into my trust wallet, I'm going to get 292. So click on withdraw again. Enter the Google Authenticator. That's payment speeding its way to me. Now I'm going to withdraw from my wife's account of the same trading platform. Great passive income. We don't have to do any work for this one. And I'm going to withdraw from here 249. So click withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw the max, that's 249. And we're going to receive into our joint trust wallet $246. And before I click that withdraw, below you can see the other payments that we've withdrawn: 154, 166, 547, 145, 396, 255 there, you see. So these payments come into our trust wallet more or less in the same day. So let's click the withdraw button and Google Authenticator again. So that's that payment on its way to us. So what we're going to receive into our joint crypto wallet is $542. Now, if you're interested in finding out how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income using automation and AI, I've put together a blueprint for you. You can have it completely free. You'll find the link for it below this video. Click that link, take you over to this page where you can grab a free copy of how I am doing a passive income, taking advantage of crypto volatility using automation and AI. You have a great day. Click the link if you're interested to find out what I'm doing. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.